Welcome back. Once we have completed our integrations, we can now set up our custom domains. What we're going to do here is we're going to set up our custom domain. Now, one of the things you'll want to note is that domain integration and SSL can take up to 48 hours in order to set up in total. We are now going to click Add New. And we're going to set up our subdomain. We're going to redirect it to a specific campaign. If we want to use a favicon, we can upload a favicon with an image from our system. We are then going to click Add Service. What you're going to need to do is to then go to the instructions area. You're going to want to find your third-party domain provider so that you can determine how you are going to set up your custom subdomain. Now, for the sake of this video and this example, we are going to set up with GoDaddy. We are then going to set up our subdomain. And we're going to use the value app.upviral.com and the subdomain and a CNAME record. And we're going to add the record. So what we're going to do now is stop the video here, and we're going to come back in 48 hours to determine that our setup is now complete. Now, less than 1/2 hour later, we did get an email stating that the domain had been resolved. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to check the upviral platform. Again, almost immediately, this domain is now resolved, and now upviral says that the SSL installation is still in process. What we're going to do now is we're going to stop the video again, and we're going to come back later to determine when the SSL resolves. We have now come back after about 10 hours, and our subdomain is now set. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.